We're going to begin today with former President Donald Trump. He was campaigning over the weekend and complaining about the new charges against him, connected with his handling of those classified documents. Now, his supporters are paying plenty for his legal troubles. CBS News confirms a pro-Trump PAC has paid tens of millions of dollars in lawyer fees for Trump and his aides so far this year. Now, you may be surprised that does not violate, the campaign laws, but the number is having quite an impact. Robert Costa is with us from Washington with more on the story. Bob, good morning. What can you tell us?
Good morning to you, Gayle. Former President Trump is pushing back hard against these latest charges, and Trump's allies believe he could face another indictment as soon as this week in the separate January 6th investigation being led by the special counsel. And Trump's rivals on the campaign trail, they're starting to hope that Republican voters will begin to consider them as alternatives.
You know, they're not indicting me, they're indicting you. I just happen to be standing in their way.
Former President Donald Trump was back on the campaign trail this weekend in two key primary states, defiant as ever.
If I weren't running, I would have nobody coming after me.
The Republican frontrunner slammed the new charges, which include allegations he tried to have his surveillance video erased after receiving a subpoena for documents. On Sunday, Trump posted to social media Mar-a-Lago security tapes were not deleted, and I never told anybody to delete them. Supporters who came to see Trump in Pennsylvania Saturday are standing by him.
It's political garbage, and I'm not going to swear, but that's what it is. They're just trying to smear his name, and it's not working.
But while the criminal charges against the former president mount, so do the legal fees. CBS News has learned that a public filing later today will show Trump's political action committee, Save America, has spent more than $40 million on legal expenses for Trump and his aides on multiple legal cases this year. This as other Republican candidates try to break through. Former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley argued it's time to move on from Trump.
I don't think he's the right president at the right time going forward. I think we've got to move forward. Otherwise, we will have a general election that's doing nothing but dealing with lawsuits.
I mean, this thing is huge.
While in New Hampshire Sunday, Trump's closest rival, Governor Ron DeSantis, made his case to voters.
You're not going to be able to bring the administrative state to heel, to slay the deep state, to do all this if you have distractions.
Trump co-defendant Carlos de Oliveira is expected to make his first court appearance today in Florida in that federal case involving the mishandling of classified documents. De Oliveira, the property manager at Mar-a-Lago, is facing charges including conspiracy to obstruct justice and lying to investigators. Natalie.
All right, Bob, thank you.